Welcome to Guide Glimpse channel. It's incredibly frustrating when your phone suddenly becomes unresponsive and refuses to turn on. While a dead phone can sometimes indicate a serious hardware problem, often it's a fixable issue. This guide provides the best troubleshooting steps, and let's get into it. We shall start with the basics, which is just the power and charging issue. This is actually the most common cause. Most dead phones are simply out of battery or experiencing a charging problem. Let's start here. We shall start by first restarting your phone. This is the soft reset. This is the first and often most effective step for a frozen or non-responsive phone, even if the screen is black. It simulates a battery pool for devices with non-removable batteries. For most Android phones, press and hold the power button and volume button together simultaneously for about 10 to 20 seconds. So some phones might require just the power button for around 30 seconds. If successful, the phone should vibrate and eventually show the boot up logo. Another solution is to check your charging setup. Just check your cable, your adapter, and even outlet. Plug it in and wait. Connect your phone to a wall charger using a non-good cable and adapter. Leave it plugged in for at least 30 minutes, okay, preferably an hour or more, especially if completely drained. A truly dead battery won't show signs of life immediately. So another thing is to look for indicators. After a few minutes, you might see a battery icon on the screen, a charging animation, or a small LED light turn on. And you can also test different components. You can try a different wall outlet, USB cable, and even charger. The outlet itself might be actually faulty, or even the cable might be also bad. Another thing is to inspect the charging port. Clean it gently, check for damage, look for bent or broken pins on your phone's charging port. If you see damage, the port likely needs professional repair, and just sort that out. We can now go ahead and do some deeper troubleshooting if the basics didn't work. If your phone still won't respond after the basic checks, it's time to dig a bit deeper. And the first way is to connect to a computer. Use a USB cable and connect your phone to a computer. Just make sure that the cable is working. Leave it connected for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Sometimes computer's USB port provides a slightly different power delivery that can kickstart completely drained battery. After 15 to 30 minutes, disconnect the cable from your phone, wait 10 seconds, then reconnect it. If you see a battery icon within a minute, your phone is charging. Another thing is to check Device Manager on your Windows or System Information on your Mac. You can see mine, I just connected it. And if the phone is recognized by your computer, even if the screen is black, it suggests the internal components are alive and the issue might be with the display. Another thing to check on is check if the battery is swollen. If your phone has a removable back cover or a visible battery, check if the battery appears swollen or bulging. A swollen battery is a serious safety hazard and should be replaced immediately by a professional. Do not try to charge or use a phone with a swollen battery. Now let's get to advanced options. If at all the basic and the intermediate solutions didn't work. And we shall also learn when to seek professional help as well. If none of the above steps work, you are looking at more complex issues. The first one is to boot into recovery mode. So recovery mode is a separate boot partition that allows for system maintenance, like clearing the cache or performing a factory reset. If your phone can enter recovery mode, it means the hardware is still functional. So just try these combinations while the phone is off. Press on the power and volume up button simultaneously for some seconds. It could be also you press the power, volume up, and home button at the same time, especially for older Samsung phones. And you can also press the power and both volume buttons as well and try and see. Hold the buttons for around 10 to 20 seconds. If successful, you'll see a menu with options like reboot system now, wipe data or factory reset, wipe cache partition. Some options like this one here I'm showing you on the screen. Navigate to the menu, use the volume up or down buttons to scroll and the power button to just select an option. Try reboot system now. This is the safest option to try first. Consider wipe cache partition. This clears temporary system files and can resolve software glitches without deleting your data. Another option is to factory reset. This is the last reset. Just wipe data or factory reset. This will erase all data on your phone. Only do this if you have a recent backup and all the other options you have tried have failed. and you are desperate also to get the phone working, you can just try that. Another solution is to just replace battery. If your phone is old, that is 2 years and above, it has lasted for 2 years plus, or has experienced significant wear and tear, a completely dead battery might be the culprit. If the battery is removable, you might try purchasing a new one and installing it. Another thing and the solution to do is to just look for professional, just go for professional repair or replacement. If you have tried all the above steps and your phone is still not working, this must be a serious hardware issue. At this point, your best option are contact the manufacturer support or even visit a reputable phone repair shop. They have diagnostic tools and expertise to pinpoint and potentially fix hardware issues. Be prepared for some cost estimate as well. Now, remember to be patient and systematic when troubleshooting a dead phone. Often, a simple charging issue or a forced restart is all it takes to bring it back to life. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.